In primetime news this evening, rainy day, but is it enough to break the drought? Equity promised. NWC says water distribution to drought areas will be fair. Tragic. Blind man falls into uncovered manhole in St. Andrew.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Milton Walker is here with a preview. Milton?
Yes, Jamaican hotel chain Sandals being sued in the United States. We'll tell you about that in the Financial Week.
And what's happening in sports, Jordan Ford?
Well, Archie, one prominent West Indies player is speaking out about why he wasn't selected for the World Cup squad, and his reason might surprise you. I'll give you the details in Primetime Sports Friday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking what additional measures can be implemented to facilitate the needs of the disabled in infrastructure projects.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.